Hello everyone, this is Monica from Yehai Laser. Today I will introduce a full cover laser cutting machine to you. This machine is environmental friendly and it is very popular in Europe. The configurations is 3000 watts of Ricoh laser generator, Ricoh control system and laser cutting height, Yaskawa soft motor. This machine is welded from carbon steel of more than 8 millimeters and 3.0 size of guide rail. The brand of guide rail and rigs is Heavy and YYC. This machine equipped exchange table, so you can upload material on the real platform. When you cutting product, it will improve the product efficiency. So, if you are interested in this machine, please feel free to contact with us. I will give you the detailed parameter and price. Okay, it's Monica. Bye bye. Have a good time.